gentlemen, thank you for joining our annual presentation day today. We have already 7 years here. The presentation theme this year is Acing Innovation.
Hong Kong as an international hub, we can have the edges to succeed and to excel in this area. So you boys and girls make a very good start because you join Blueinno to learn what is coding, what is AI, what is robotics, and what is innovation and technology.
I also learned broadcasting, and then you send a message to another sprite.
This year we learned about RoboFlow.
If it is healthy, and you will detect if you get it right or not.
Since the button is correct, it will open the circle and show green.
Please define the position where the buttons are.
As you can see, it works a little bit, but it's not all.
I hope this will be good for me.
Underneath it, yes, there.
Some of you start your project based on your passion. Because I like this, I want to do this.
AI innovators, you guys are related to a lot of UN SDGs.
I think the effect has mainly to my logical thinking and deduction skills, especially in subjects such as science and math. It made lots of things much easier to understand because of the logical thinking skills that have been imparted on me through these different lessons and programs around coding.
I believe the most important thing is to find your passion, and once you find your passion, put time and effort into it, whether it be joining design teams or building personal projects. The most important thing is to have fun while doing so and learn a lot.
Good job, students. I love you. Okay.